kind of like mind-explodingly good.
I'm going on a diet, Dan. I'm starting right now.
Go. I'll be here when you get back.
When we lived in Lanford, we first found out about the loose meat sandwich.
It's a family recipe and a fan favorite.
I think my only experience ever of eating a loose meat sandwich was in the Lanford lunchbox.
Yeah, and I think we all used to kind of get in trouble because we used to start picking at it because it was in front of us. It's not as chunky as hamburger.
And then you throw a pickle in there for good measure, makes it a little crunchy. So good. So
It's
good.
Really good.
This is kind of like mind-explodingly good. OMG.